Well, I want to share with you, there's a lot of companies out there that go ahead and sell individual pieces for Legos, and I ordered some right here, and I'm going to go ahead and show you what I'm going to make a little bit larger. So I ordered some reindeers, and I'm going to go ahead and the sled comes with 4 reindeers, and I'm going to go ahead and put 8 plus Rudolph. So I got 5 reindeers in here, and then I got 4 more. So then got a couple of other things in here, so I got to take this all apart because this was also for some little shuttle pods for Star Trek Enterprise. So, and then the stuff for the sled to attach the other 5 reindeers. So I gotta separate all this. You can get some of these things, and I'm gonna have a link in the description on where you can go to order some pieces if you're missing some from a Lego set, or you're trying to make like I made as a micro little shuttle pod for Enterprise. So I'll tell you more about that in some upcoming videos. We'll go ahead and attach the other 5 reindeer to the sled here, and I just want to let you know, if you go to jedisforjesus.com, you can go ahead and sign up to our email list. And if you are interested in making some of those shuttle pods, I will send you a sheet of all the pieces you need to buy and how to put it together. I will send that to you through an email. Enjoy the rest of the video of me putting the other 5 reindeers to the fore. So now I'm going to go ahead and attach the 5 reindeer to the fore, and then we're going to have a whole set of 8 reindeers and Rudolph. And here's all the extra pieces that I had to get. This is Jedis for Jesus, and we are Bible-believing Christians. And if you want to find the truth, that is where you look. If you got any value out of this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell to be notified when we upload a brand new video. Thank you! Onward, Dasher! Ho, ho, ho! This is Jedis for Jesus. Hope to see you one day soon in heaven.